Spider plants. Today we are going to talk about spider plant and how to grow it, and about the spiderets, right? And all about the spider plant. Spider plant likes a moist soil or potting mix that drains well, but it can also tolerate periods of dryness. Don't overwater or the roots may rot. Spider plant needs are simple. Place the plant in bright but moderate light. The direct sunlight will burn the plant leaves, so be careful to leave this plant under some shade. Spider plant promotes these small flowers. You can see these white flowers on them. They are the spider flowers. And spider plant specially produces spiderets. You can only grow another plant with the spiderets. See them? I really did not remove anything from the mother plant still because I really love it. See how nicely growing spider plant. The best pot for the spider plant is slightly larger than the plant's root, so make sure that you select a bigger pot for the spider plant. They grow very fast, so see that you select a bit bigger pot than the other ones. When you're potting a small plant, see to the soil mix and the plant pot and the drainage. Those are the most important tips about the spider plant. They will be really weak if you don't water them, but don't overwater the plant. That will cause of root rot. Spider plants cannot be rooted by these cuttings. You cannot do that. You will have to propagate them in water, these spiderets, and grow them in water before you pot them. So those are the basic information about the spider plant. Well draining soil is very necessary for this plant also. Be mindful when watering. Check the soil before you water. So those are the basic tips about the spider plant. So that's it for today. We'll meet up with another video. Hope this is helpful for you. Do subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you.